Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with an AliExpress haul. I picked up a few dies and I picked up a few little random things and I wanted to come on and share with you, so I'm going to jump right on in. Alright, so first things first, I picked up some jute twine off of AliExpress, and I believe this was 20 millimeters and it was really inexpensive, and I had been really wanting some of this thin jute twine. And a lot of different places that I was looking at, it was so expensive for some reason, and so I just decided to order some, and it works perfectly. And as you can see, 20 millimeters gets you a ton. So I picked that up, and then I also picked up this bag of buttons, and I'll take out a few so you can see, but they're super cute, and they say handmade with love. Aren't those adorable? And I think it was like a pack of 50. I can't even remember, but I'll link everything in the description box below if you want to try to find it. I just thought those were so adorable. So I had to pick them up. And then I picked up this die right here. It creates a bow. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, what is it, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 layered bow. And it's super cute and small, and it comes with some of these tiny little pieces. And it looks like this. So I made a couple. I cut out a couple so you could see, but isn't that darling? It's a darling little bow. Super cute. And then this one, you use a brad. When you cut it out, it just attaches with the brad, and it's super easy to put together. And so I used the little layering flower piece right there. And then on this one right here, as you can see, I used the jute twine and then the little button. How super cute would that be to put on your packaging or a bag topper? I mean, super, super cute. And it says handmade with love. So absolutely adorable. So I'm really happy with this little bow die. Another new bow die to play with for my stash. Yay. All right. Okay. So up next, I did pick up this mermaid and this unicorn. And I know several people have picked up that unicorn, but I'm going to share with you what they look like. So here are my 4 little unicorns, or maybe is it 3? 3 unicorns right here. They are absolutely adorable, and I will say it does take quite a bit of time to piece this little unicorn together. There are several tiny pieces. I mean, each piece, it's super tiny, but as you can see, the outcome is well worth it, and I'm absolutely in love with this little baby unicorn. I have not put her on a project yet because I'm going to save her for something special, and it's something that I think I'd like to keep. I don't know if I'd want to give these away. They took a lot of time to put together, but they're super cute and I love them. So those are the unicorns. And then let me show you what the mermaid looks like. So here is the mermaid. Isn't she absolutely adorable? She's absolutely gorgeous. I pieced her together using some fun paper from Michael's, and her hair is iridescent paper from, I think, Die Cuts with a View. And I wanted to show you, this is like a treat box I made with a Spellbinders contour steel roll die, but I thought this would be super pretty if I attached her to this box. And I just haven't decided yet how I want to put her. But isn't that super cute, you guys? Love that mermaid. And then the next die that I wanted to share with you is this one right here, which is really pretty. And it looks like this cut out. And I was just thinking, oh, I could layer this box if I wanted to with this die up here. How pretty would that be? Just to give it some more decoration. But super cute, fun die. And I did cut it out a couple of times, so it looks like this cut out. So you could actually create a border if you wanted to, and then you could layer, you could even layer your mermaid, and that would be super pretty as well. Okay, so moving along, the next die I'd like to share with you is this home plate, and it's huge. Look how big it is. I mean, in my hand, it's a really nice size, and then it says, "There's no place like home." And this is what it looks like cut out. And it's, as you can see, it's a really nice size. So super cute. As you guys know, my boys play baseball, and I love all baseball things. So I had to pick up this one, and I actually picked up several different baseball dies, but this was the first one I'd cut out. So played with that one. Really fun. The next die I want to share with you is this one right here, and it says Happy Halloween, and I was so surprised at how big it was. I mean, look how big it is in my hand. This is what it looks like cut out, and it's a really nice size and font, and obviously you could cut it and, you know, place it in different ways on your paper where it says Happy Halloween. You don't have to keep it all together, but I thought I would share with you because I know Halloween is right around the corner. And that leads me to my next die, which is this one right here. It says Trick or Treat, and again, it's another good sized die. I mean, I couldn't believe how big it was. Super, super big. So I cut it out of some black glitter paper, and isn't that gorgeous? I mean, everything looks better on glitter, right? So I love the way that that looks, the Trick or Treat, and then I also cut it out of some gold glitter cardstock. Really, really pretty. And then next I wanted to share with you this cauldron. It comes with a little fire, and then it comes with this little like little frog and like a little bowl. And this is what it looks like. So this is the one with the little bowl with the little frog, and he is just like sitting there hanging out. And then here is the cauldron. I really picked it up because I wanted the cauldron, and I just liked the size of it. But I cut this little piece out several different times. It's like fire coming out of the bowl, and I thought that was really fun. And of course, it looks really pretty on black glitter cardstock. So another fun Halloween die for my stash. And there, I knew I made 4 of these unicorns. This is my other unicorn. I just saw her. She slipped through the cracks, but she's adorable. Okay, up next, I did pick up this die set right here. Looks like that. And it cuts out like this. So really, really pretty. This is the anchor. I cut it out of some gold foil. And then here is the octopus that it also comes with, so you could layer that on top as well. Put it up on some dimensionals and pop it up with a little saying. That'd be super cute for a sea-themed project. So I picked up that one. Moving along, this is the next die that I picked up, and it just says Happy Birthday, and it comes with a scalloped circle, or a scalloped circle, and then this layering piece right here. And that's what this looks like right here. And again, it's a nice size. These are all nice size dies, and this would be perfect to put on a treat bag, I believe. And it just says birthday, birthday, and I had some bling. That one fell off, but that's okay. I'll put another one on. But that would be a super cute treat bag, and I think I used the LOL paper pad from that stack. So I think I'll make a treat bag and pop that on there. And then the last die that I want to share with you today is this die right here. It's really, really pretty. And again, it's a beautiful size. It looks like this cut out. I cut it out a couple of times, but look how gorgeous that is. I mean, again, I'm going to use my little mermaid as an example, but you could, you know, layer your little doll like that, and that'd be a really pretty layering piece for your project. Super pretty. And then again, this is what the blue one looks like. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Love this die right here. So that is my AliExpress haul for today. Please check the description box below for product information. Leave me a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.